Gary Tyler here with Groundworks Commercial. We are in Discovery Bay, California. The water district was having problems with water intrusion around their gate valves, and the water from one pond to the other
was not going over the top of the dam, but going through the dam itself.
So they called us out to assess the problem and see what we could do to inject the dams to stop the water flow. We can get in and out in just a couple of days. We're just driving our rods to depth, hooking our guns up and doing our injection process. We don't got to shut the dams down. We can control the water, and they don't have to empty the water for us to do the injection. Everything can stay working.
So what these polymers do is they encapsulate that's everything around them. So as you're injecting it down into the ground, what you'll end up with is a mass of encapsulated soil, encapsulated stone, encapsulated old concrete, and it makes a watertight mass, one, to keep the water from passing through and from taking any settlement with it. To basically encapsulate everything under that dam to make it a watertight seal.
They wanted to make sure that all the surrounding animals, the grass area, everything was not going to be affected. Once we produced the data sheets, showed them that everything was environmentally safe.
We were approved to start the project with no hesitation at all.
You know, you can see on this particular project, we're able to keep this golf course completely functional, while the repairs are being done. It's very low noise, non-invasive. It really checks a lot of boxes in the repair sector.
The results are showing, our first dam is done and it's holding up 100%. So we're very happy with the results. We're out here to protect the environment, protect homeowners, protect public works department, save water. There is a safer, more cost-effective alternative to the traditional repairs. It's going to seal up all their cracks, and it is going to ultimately save water and save their dams.